If you use WhatsApp, here are 3 hacks you need to try out. The first one lets you send images in the best quality. To do this, first go to your WhatsApp settings. Then tap on Storage and Data. Scroll down and tap on Storage Upload Quality. And change it to the best quality. This second hack is for privacy. To do this, go to your WhatsApp setting and tap on Privacy. Now tap on Last Seen and Online. Then change the selected options to Nobody and Same as Last Seen. This way nobody will know if you're online or offline. The third hack lets you know if someone has access to your WhatsApp account and can read all of your WhatsApp messages from their own phone. To find out, just tap the 3 dots at the top right corner. Then tap on Linked Devices. This will show you all the devices that have full access to your WhatsApp account. If you see anyone that you don't know, just click on it and log it out. And the person will no longer have access to your WhatsApp account.